Nangyari na po mga bossing ang official press conference para sa triple header sa Japan involving former long-time super flyweight world champion Jerwin Pretty Boy Angkajas versus current WBA bantamweight champion kapatid ng halimaw ng Japan Takuma Inoue, as well as current WBC bantamweight champion Mexican Alejandro Santiago versus 2 division world champion hard-hitting Japanese Junto Nakatani. Sinabi po ni Jerwin sa press conference ang magandang training preparations niya sa survival camp. Handang-handa na raw siya sa bakbakan kontra Takuma. Dagdag din po ni Jerwin na mas gutom daw siya ngayon sa panalo dahil wala raw world champion ngayon ang bansang Pilipinas. Sana raw makapagbigay sila ni Takuma ng magandang laban. Nagbahagi naman po ang Manny Pacquiao Promotions President Sean Gibbons na sumalang agad sa press con immediately after landing sa Japan ng pasasalamat sa kampo ni Inoue at Fuhashi Promotions na nabigyan na naman sila ng oportunidad na makalaban ulit sa Japan after ng malaking laban din last time sa pagitan ng battery nila former 2 Division World Champion Marlon The Nightmare Tapales at kapatid ni Takuma 4 Division World Champion current undisputed Super Bantamweight Champion Japanese Monster Naoya Inoue. Nagpasalamat din po siya sa Tekken Promotions at promoter nito Akihiko Honda. More than 100% sure daw po si Gibbons na si Angkajas ang mananalo. Kaya lang daw naranasan ni Angkajas ang dalawang huli niyang talo against current Super Flyweight Champion Fernando Puma Martinez ay dahil a bit too long daw ang naging stay ni Jerwin sa 115-pound division. Kaya depleted na raw ang long-time Super Flyweight World Champion. Iba na raw ngayon sa 118-pound Bantamweight division. Napakaganda rin daw ng training preparations ngayon ni Jerwin. For Gibbons, bagamat isang crafty na boksingero si Takuma, Angkajas daw is a superior boxer and puncher. Maganda raw ito dahil dalawang top boxers sa 118 ang maghaharap, although ang mananalo raw talaga ay si Jerwin. Kaya, and the new raw ang magiging deklarasyon sa aftermath ng bakbakan. Banat naman po ni Takuma Inoue, napakaganda rin daw ng kondisyon niya ngayon. Kagaya ng hirit last time ni promoter Fuhashi, if our translation is correct, ina-acknowledge din po ni Takuma na so far si Jerwin daw ang matuturing niyang pinakamalakas na kalaban niya sa kanyang buong karera. Kaya, he will fight daw till the very end in road to getting the victory and successfully defending his WBA title. Sinabi rin po niyang masaya siyang ang laban niya ngayon ay main event na. Matatandaan na Santiago versus Nakatani ang naunang naibalitang magiging main event, kaso na-change na po ito ngayon to Inoue versus Angkajas. Sa kabilang banda, naging seryoso rin po ang naging banatan sa pagitan ni Nakatani at defending champion Santiago. Na-mention po sa press con ang knockout of the year victory ni Nakatani over former champion Andrew Moloney. At tinanong po si Nakatani if kaya niya raw bang i-duplicate ito against Santiago. Sagot ni Junto, it would be great to show raw a similar knockout victory over Santiago, pero ina-acknowledge naman niya ang husay at toughness daw ng Mexicano, so di po siya makaka-assure na pareho ang magiging outcome ng paparating niyang laban with that of Moloney knockout win. Bago tayo magpatuloy, ito po ang ilang actual remarks.
Takuma also is a good boxer and very good fighter. So for our team, very best training in our survival camp, Cavite, and now we're ready for this fight. Takuma, his condition is good, and we.
I'd like to thank Mr. Fuhashi for this opportunity again. We're making Japan our second home. We were here in December, tremendous time with Marlon Tapales, fighting the monster. I want to thank Mr. Honda with Tekken. Nobody does it better than Mr. Honda. The fight itself, I'm not 100%, I'm 110% that Jerwin was a world champion. Jerwin was a world champion for over 6.5 years at 115 pounds, will win the fight Saturday night. We stayed a little too long at 115 pounds, and Jerwin was depleted that weight. We found a very happy home at 118. He's had a great camp in the Philippines. Noe, very crafty fighter himself, good boxer. So you got two very top boxers fighting each other. But I think Saturday night there's going to be a WBA champion of the world, Jerwin Kahas.
Sa isang vlog naman po mga bossing ng Team Casimero member, Catman ng former 3 Division World Champion General Cuadro Alas Casimero na si Coach Ray Urais, nakipagkita po siya sa Team Angkahas expressing his support sa panalo ng kababayan, at within sa live video ni Coach Ray ay nagkomento po ng positibong remarks sina Mark Alesna of Treasure Boxing Promotions UTBP na Team Casimero rin at brother trainer ni Cuadro Alas na si Coach Jason Casimero.